Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you are using Squarespace and thinking about changing your template in 2026, here is the most important thing to understand first. Squarespace no longer works with template switching the old way. In modern Squarespace 7.1, all sites use one flexible template system. So instead of changing templates, you change your site's design styles, layout, and structure. So let me show you exactly how it works in 2026 clearly and step by step. So first thing first, this is the closest thing to changing a template. So for example, go to home, go to design and then styles, or go to websites and tab styles. Okay, so click browse styles. Okay, and choose a new style preset, so click apply after that, and or save, and you can customize fonts, colors, button styles, spacing, animations. So this instantly refreshes your entire site's look. Okay, so templates in Squarespace are now page layout. So go to pages, open any page, click edit, click add section, and choose a new layout style: hero, gallery, features, contact, blank. You can mix layouts freely. Each page can look different. So this is where most templates changes actually happen. Okay, if you want a completely different look, rebuild your homepage. Step open homepage, click edit, delete all sections, add new sections with different layouts, and reorder sections. So no content loss, fully revisitable. Okay, so this is it, guys. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.